In this video, we will be discussing 5 different gigs that you can do online and get paid through Mpesa. All these methods are legit and have been proven to work successfully. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom or a college student looking for a side hustle, we've got something for you in this video. And number 5 is the best. At number 1, we have online trading. For someone who is new to this, what is online trading and how can you make money as a trader and get paid through Mpesa? Online trading refers to the process of buying and selling financial instruments online with the aim of making a profit. To start trading online and get paid through Mpesa, you will need to create an account with a broker that accepts Mpesa. At the moment, there are a number of forex brokers in Kenya that accepts Mpesa, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we will use Olimtrade. For those who aren't already familiar with Olimtrade is an online broker that allows traders to make money trading stocks, trading fixed-time trades, or trading forex on their platform. It is free to create a trading account in Olimtrade, and when you create a new account, you will get 10,000 demo units, which you can use to practice how to trade risk-free. If you want to start trading to earn money through Mpesa, go ahead and click the link on my bio to create your trading account with Olimtrade. And if you don't know how to trade, click this video pinned down here to learn how to trade. The second easiest way to make money in Kenya and get paid through Mpesa is through article writing. Whether you've made money with article writing in the past or are just starting out with article writing, it needs no explanation. It's just as it is. Article writing is when you write articles for companies, for blogs, or for individuals and get paid for your services. If you are an article writer and you want to start making money through Mpesa, you can create your account with Apex Listings, writers.co.ke, Writer Hunter, or Falcon to start earning. The third easiest way to work online and get paid through Mpesa is if you work as an affiliate marketer. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's products or services and get paid a commission for each of the sales that you drive to that person or company. As an affiliate marketer, you can make any amount of money that you want. Plus, there are a lot of affiliate marketing companies in Kenya that pay people to promote their products. All you need to do is to create an account and to get a link which you can refer people to. And when people buy through that link, you get paid. An example of an affiliate marketing link is the Olimtrade link on my bio. Click on it to see how affiliate marketing links look and to see how you can apply them to your TikTok to start making money with affiliate marketing. And if you are looking for affiliate marketing offers to start promoting and to start getting paid through Mpesa, then go ahead and create your account with Jumia Call, that is the official affiliate marketing partner for jumia.co.ke or truehost.co.ke to create a partnership account for promoting domain and hosting services. The fourth online business that you can start in Kenya and get paid through Mpesa is a print-on-demand business. So how does this work? As an entrepreneur running a print-on-demand business, you will be designing stuff. You will be designing t-shirts, caps, or stickers for any product and posting on your website. When people are interested in buying these products, for example, t-shirts, they will pay you, and after receiving the payment is when you print the t-shirts and dispatch to your clients. It's that easy, so you don't have to keep any inventory for t-shirts or for any product. Plus, if you are in Kenya, you can start this business for free by creating your designs on canva.com and selling your products on Soko. Soko is an online marketplace that sells print-on-demand products in Kenya, and they will allow you to withdraw your money through Mpesa. Now, before I show you guys the last method to make money online and get paid through Mpesa, go ahead and comment with any of the making money ideas that you want us to discuss further on our next video. If you want us to talk about affiliate marketing, go ahead and comment with affiliate marketing. If you want us to talk about trading, go ahead and comment with trading. And if you want us to talk about article writing or print-on-demand business, go ahead and comment with just that. And the last method that you can use to make money and get paid through Mpesa is dropshipping. So what is dropshipping? Dropshipping refers to a business model that allows you to make money online without ever holding or owning any inventory. All you have to do is to create a dropshipping store with an e-commerce platform like Shopify or Magento. After doing that, you can go ahead and copy the images of the products you wish to sell from platforms such as Alibaba and post on your e-commerce website. And before you start promoting these products, make sure you mark up the prices so that when people buy, you can make your profit from the difference between the buying price and the selling price. Again, you can comment with the business idea that you like the most on this list, and we will consider doing an in-depth video about it. For example, if you liked trading, go ahead and comment with the trading, and I will do a more in-depth video about trading. And if you liked article writing, just comment with article writing, and I will consider doing a video about that too. If you liked this video, go ahead and click on that plus sign, like, comment, and share. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Kenomolo.